following video may cause mental or physical disabilities in the future. This may also destroy property or equipment. If the following things ever happen, I am not to be held responsible, but instead it is the viewer who is to be held responsible. Also, please note that this sound was modified from its original version to produce an increased amount of bass. Viewer discretion is advised.